Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Combine powdered sugar and softened butter with an electric mixer. Add vanilla and 1 tablespoon of milk. Gradually add additional milk, if needed, until you reach a smooth, easy-to-spread frosting. Once prepared, add food coloring, if desired, stirring the coloring in by spoon. The 7th of February 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Instructions. Whisk the confectioner's sugar, 2 tablespoons milk or heavy cream, and vanilla extract together. Add another tablespoon of milk or heavy cream to thin out if necessary. Taste, then add a pinch of salt if desired. If not using right away, cover and store icing in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. The 22nd of February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
You need just 3 ingredients: egg whites, icing sugar and lemon juice. Egg whites are whisked to form soft peaks and then icing sugar and lemon juice is added, little by little, until it thickens and acquires a creamy consistency. 8 January 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What is powdered sugar? Well, simply put, powdered sugar, and confectioner's sugar, icing sugar, and 10x, they're all the same, is granulated white sugar that's been pulverized to a powder and mixed with a small but mighty amount of cornstarch. 6 December 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.